Welcome to Homework Lib.
Here we're going to have the following chemical equation corresponding to the bromination of ethene that is going to produce from C2H4 plus Br2. We're going to be able to produce C2H4Br2. So this is going to be our balanced chemical equation. As you can see, this is going to be direct. And we want to know is that from 12.05 grams, next to here, 0 here, of C2H4, how many amount of moles of the product and mass of the product are going to be produced. So first of all, the order that we're going to follow is starting from the mass of C2H4. We're going to go into amount of moles of C2H4. Then we're going to get into amount of moles of C2H4Br2. And finally, we can get to the mass of C2H4Br2. So the first step is going to be, let's begin with the mass, C2H4. We're going to transform this into moles employing the molecular weight, which is going to be equal to 28 grams per mole of this substance. And then from our chemical equation, which we're going to have a one-to-one correspondence, we know that 1 mole of C2H4 is going to be equal to 1 mole of C2H4Br2. This is going to give us 0.43 moles of C2H4Br2. And now, this is going to be the amount of mole of the product that we desired. And now to calculate the mass, we simply need to multiply by the molecular weight of this compound. This compound is going to have a molecular weight of 187.86 grams per mole. And when we multiply this by the amount of mole that we have, we're going to get the mass of our product, which is going to be equal to 80.78 grams of C2H4Br2. So these are going to be the amount of mole and the mass of the product generated from 12.05 grams of C2H4.